Hello, traders. FpC&x here. Today is Monday, May 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I still believe there's a very good likelihood this is the end of an ABC correction. If that's the case, and this is probably a 1, this is probably going up now for a 2, and I think it's going to bounce off a fib level and just keep on going down, probably eventually taking out these lows for a wave 3, 4, and 5. So let's keep that in mind and let's head down to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first move down is probably a 1. I think there's a good chance this is going to be an ABC. Now, a lot of the other yen pairs, if we're talking about yen pairs, do look like they have a long ways to go to the upside. So there's definitely a possibility that the yen will continue to drive this up to one of the higher Fibonacci levels before it actually continues down. So definitely keep that in mind while we're looking at the shorter time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, it does look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. It looks like 3 ways down for a B, and it looks like an uptrend for a C. Now, we never did break structure to the downside, so we can't say for sure that this wave C is over. And like I was just saying, the yen very easily could just keep on driving this up to one of these other Fibonacci levels. But we do want to keep an eye on shorter time frames to see if this makes a lower high, makes an impulsive move down, because if it does, I would definitely take that as a sorting opportunity as the end of an A, B, C correction, and most likely the continuation of the downtrend. But I definitely wouldn't go short until I saw that impulsive turn on these shorter time frames. So going down to the 4 hour, it definitely looks like it could be a 1. It still looks like it may be forming an ABC of 2. So if we are going to make an impulsive move down, it pretty much has to happen at one of these two Fibonacci levels. So if you do see an impulsive move to the downside, especially if it breaks structure, then I would definitely take that as a sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. But I definitely wouldn't go short until I see a nice impulsive move with a break of structure, because like I was saying, the yen could definitely continue to drive this to the upside and maybe even keep it going up and making new highs. So that's why we definitely are not going to be going short unless we see a break of structure on the 1 hour time frame. Now it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. So if it does turn down, if it does take out structure, then I will definitely be going short for the continuation of the downtrend. But if it does not go down and if it does not take out structure, then I would just continue to look for longs in an uptrend, because like I said, the yen could definitely continue to drive this to the upside. But if it does go down, I will for sure be ready to jump in short, because it may just keep on going down for a long ways according to the longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.